Hey guys, it's Sean, and I'm a happy camper. The lathe is finally done. Yes, it is. Right on, right on. Alright, so we're going to face this. That's what we're going to do right now. It's quite rough yet. So we're going to show you guys the 109. I got the 3-jaw in here at this moment. And I'm going to put a little oil on there, and we're going to face that off, right? Yep, we're going to face this thing off. Get some oil on here where it's, not going to kill my bit or my high-speed steel. Alright, so we're going to face it off. Here we go, guys. A little bit of a crappy finish, but you know what? It's flat. That's what I know. I don't care. It's flat. That's what I want. You can turn it slowly. Yeah, it took the wobble right out. So now we gotta do the other side for sure. That is golden though, guys. Well, the finish is a little rough. Alright, I'm liking it. See if we can break that edge though. I don't like the edge it's on it. Much better. Oh yeah, that's much better. Alright. Run a little Scotch-Brite on it just to make sure there's no burrs or any weird stuff, right? This is just a green Scotch-Brite. It's the lightest abrasive you can get, I think, in Scotch-Brite. I'm not positive, but pretty light. I don't care about the lines that are in it. I don't care. It's just a rough piece. It's no big deal. Alright, there you go, guys. The lathe is done. Alright, so the 109 works great. As you can see, I got me a new tool post a while back. Let me bring you in here, guys. Got a new tool post. Been working with the other ones and experimenting with the old school stuff, and I like the original Atlas Craftsman lathe tool posts very well, the lantern ones. But for a fast, quick change, there you go. That's been what I've been using for, like if I have a lot of work to do. But when I'm experimenting, I'm using those vintage ones, you know, for your lantern tool posts, for your lanterns. Been using those, and I like them. I find they're more rigid than this. Maybe it's just my foolishness, but I'm just getting started here in this metal working. But yep, the 109 is done. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Needs to be cleaned up, oiled up. But yep, that's looking good. I don't care about all that in there, the lines. I can get those out by changing my bit. I'm not worried about it. It's just a rough piece anyway for the homestead, so no big deal. Alright guys, she's done and works well. As you can see, it's raining in Oregon again. That's what we're famous for. Alright guys, take it easy. Remember, if you watch it, thumb it up. Thanks subscribers and newcomers. Take care. Bye-bye.